वेलकम टू कृष्णा को मजहब। कृष्णा को मजहब में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लॉजिकल रीजनिंग। तो सबसे पहले मीनिंग ऑफ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग। लॉजिकल रीजनिंग मीन्स अप्लाइंग लॉजिक और रीजन्स टू रीच कंक्लूजन्स from given fact or statements. It tests your ability to analyze, evaluate, and interpret arguments correctly. UGC NET Paper 1 includes questions on logical reasoning, arguments, statements, and conclusions, analogies, deductive reasoning, etc. Types of reasoning. तो पहले है डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग और सेकंड है इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग। तो डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग क्या होती है? फ्रॉम जनरल टू पर्टिकुलर, कंक्लूजन मस्ट फॉलो द प्रीमाइसेस यूज्ड इन सिलोगिज्म। एग्जाम्पल, प्रीमाइस 1, ऑल मैन आर मॉर्टल। प्रीमाइस 2, Socrates is a man. Conclusion, therefore Socrates is mortal. Rule, if both premises are true, conclusion is necessarily true. Inductive reasoning. From specific to general, conclusion is probable, not certain. Example, Ram, Syam and Mohan are Indian and honest. Therefore, all Indians are honest. Probable, not certain. Statements and arguments. A statement express a fact or opinion. An argument supports or opposes an idea. Statement, regular exercise is good for health. Argument 1 is yes because it keeps the body fit and diseases free. Strong. Argument 2, no because it takes a lot of time. It's weak. Tips, strong arguments are logically and practical. Weak arguments are emotional or irrelevant. Next are statements. Statements and assumptions. Assumptions, something that is taken for granted or believed true before argument. Example statements, you should study regularly to pass the exam. Assumption, studying regularly helps to pass the exam. Exams are difficult to pass. Implicit. Tip, if something must be true for the statement to make sense, it is an assumption. Next, statement and conclusion. Here you must find which conclusion logically follows. Example, statement, all cats are animals, some animals are wild. Conclusion, some cats are wild. Conclusion, to all animals are cats. No conclusion follows since relationship is not directly given. Next, statement and inferences. Inference mean logical deduction based on gives fact, even if not directly stated. Example statement, all students of this college are intelligent. Inference, some intelligent people are from this college. Course of action. A course of action is a step or decision to solve a given problem. Example statement, many students fail due to lack of guidance. Course of action 1, arrange guidance classes. Course of action 2, close the school. Logical and practical, right. Emotional, illogical, wrong. Cause and effect. Identify which is the cause and which is the effect. Example, heavy rains flooded the city. People were evacuated to relief camp. Cause, heavy rains flooded the city. Effect, people were evacuated. Analogies. It shows similar relationship between two pairs. Example, doctor patient and teacher student. Doctor treats patient, teacher teaches student. Tip, find relationship in first pair, apply to second. Syllogism, very important for UGC NET. All syllogism, two or more statements find valid conclusion. Example: all dogs are animals. All animals are living being. Conclusion: all dogs are living being. Valid. Example 2: some apples are mangoes. All mangoes are fruit. Conclusion: some apples are fruit. Possible. Next is logical connectives. Propositional logic. Connectives combine statements logical. हमारे पास सिंबल दिए हुए हैं, इनका मीनिंग है फर्स्ट जो सिंबल दिया है उसका मीनिंग एंड है, सेकंड सिंबल का और राइट साइड एरो को इम्प्लाइज, बोथ साइड एरो इक्विवेलेंट, और जो लास्ट सिंबल है वो उसका मीनिंग है नॉट। तो P एंड Q बोथ ट्रू, P एंड Q ट्रू, P और Q at least one true, P implies Q, if P then Q, equivalent, P equivalent Q both same truth value, note P opposite truth value. Example: P rains, ground is wet. Q means if it rains then ground is wet. Logical equivalence and truth table. Example: P and Q. P Q P and Q P V और Q not P P implies Q. तो ये फॉर्मेट है एग्जाम्पल लॉजिकल इक्विवेलेंस का। नेक्स्ट है लॉजिकल फॉल्सीज, एरर्स इन रीजनिंग, कॉमन मिस्टेक्स इन रीजनिंग। फॉल्सी: hasty generalizations. Example: he failed once so he is a failure. Second fallacy है false cause. Example: it rained because I washed my car. Ad hominem. Example: you are wrong because you are uneducated. Circular reasoning: I am right because I said I am right. Practice example: all roses are flowers. Some flowers fade quickly. Some roses fade quickly. Not definite. Second question है if all bats are mammals and some mammals can fly, some bats can fly. Possible, not definite. Either the train is late or I missed it. Train is not late so I missed it. Logical deductions. Preparation tips: learn basic logic, symbols and rules. Practice truth tables and Venn diagrams. Attempts previous year question. Focus on syllogism, statements, argument and connectivities. These dominate paper 1. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe this channel.